Tyler Enos here, and in this video I'm going to show you some critical mistakes that you're making with your website and digital marketing that are losing you money and losing you customers to your competition. So let's pull up a few examples right now and I'll show you these mistakes and how to fix them. So I've got Google search up on the screen here, and I've searched for the keywords dental implants near me, and where I came up with this keyword and the couple others I'm going to show you are through the Google Keyword Planner tool. So I can just type in dental implant dentists. It'll give me a few different keyword ideas, okay, based on their search volume and competition. Okay, so dental implants cost, dental implants after 10 years, $1,200 dental implants. So these have a pretty high search volume, but the ones I want to choose are ones that show an intent of purchase. Dental implants could mean anything regarding dental implants. It could just be what are they. Okay, cost, the keyword cost at the end of there shows an intent of purchase. Those are the kind of keywords we want to be paying for with our Google Ads. Okay, so we're back here in the search results. We'll click on the first one, affordable dental implants. Okay, and it's important to have dental implants near me and to have those same keywords in your ad. I see it pretty often that the ad doesn't have any of the keywords in the actual keyword search term. Okay, that's not good. Nobody's going to click on your ad if it doesn't say exactly what they're searching for. They're looking for the words dental implants. If they align, then they click on it and they move on. Right? They're probably not reading all this stuff, but having more stuff here makes your ad appear bigger and it increases the chances of somebody clicking on it. These are called extensions. Okay, you have this URL here with these URL extensions. Then you have this description, okay, and then you have this address here. That's an extension as well. Okay, we'll click on it, and it takes you to this page here. And this just looks like their regular website. Maybe it's one of their services pages. Okay, let's see here. Okay, you can click on that, which is their logo. I'm imagining that would take you to their home page. Okay, that's not something you want. You don't want people to leave this page. If they searched for dental implants and they clicked on your ad that says dental implants, then they want to land on a page that has to do with dental implants only. Okay, they're not interested in going to your home page, so that shouldn't even be an option. You're just giving them ways to get distracted and leave your page, and that's going to reduce your conversion rate. Okay, you have these things over here. Okay, those are just addresses. They probably go to Google Maps. You don't want that. Okay, home, you have this whole menu bar, and on a landing page you should not have a menu bar on your landing page. That just is front and center, and it provides all these different ways for people to leave this page. The only good thing I see right here so far is this book an appointment button. Okay, although it is a little bit, it kind of blends in over here in the corner, you definitely want to make this front and center. This is the most important button on this page, book an appointment. Okay, so they scroll down. This is about dental implants in Bremerton and Bainbridge. That's great. Okay, that's important that it's actually about dental implants. Okay, what are they? You know what to expect. Okay, and then you get down here and you have these patient testimonials, which is great. But then if you look at these, you can see they're just generic ones for the dentist and not specifically about dental implants. Right? They're talking about their hygienist. Hygienist was great. Okay, these aren't implant-specific testimonials, so they don't really hold a lot of weight. And then you have all these things over here, same-day appointments, talking about your tools. Nobody cares about your tools and techniques, right? They just want a beautiful smile. This is all just distraction. Invisalign, right? That's not implant stuff. These are all just distractions. Special offers. You got 2 different locations. If you have 2 different locations, that's great, but your landing page, this page that I land on, should only be about the one closest to the person searching for that keyword. Okay, if I live in Bremerton, I don't need to see this one for Bainbridge. I live in Seattle, so I'm not going to go to either of these, right? I have to take a ferry to get over to both of these, and I'm not going to do that. So this was, they did poor targeting. Okay, so there's that example. Let's go back here to the search results. Let's try this one, Cascadia dental implants. Okay, Cascadia Dental Specialist. Okay, that's great here. They have this, schedule an appointment number right at the top, front and center. That's great. Nothing distracting, nothing around it. Cutting edge technology. Again, people don't really care about that stuff. People just want a beautiful smile. They assume that most dentists have the same sort of technology or access to the same sorts of technology. That shouldn't be your selling point. Okay, people don't care about how great your technology is. They just don't. They care about themselves, and they care about, having a great smile and, having somebody that they trust. Family dentistry, cosmetic dentistry, oral surgery. Okay, this is not a page about dental implants. This is just, who knows, right? They got all these different services here. Family tooth cleaning. Okay, I'm leaving this page. Okay, this isn't about implants. They probably just wasted some money here. Let's see if they have retargeting set up. They don't. They have Google Analytics and they have Tag Manager, but they don't have the Google retargeting tag, which means they don't have the ability to send advertisements to me now that I've already been to this page, which is a huge missed opportunity. And this up here, this is another Chrome extension, if you're wondering what these are. Okay, this is the Facebook Pixel Helper. They don't have any Facebook pixels set up on this site either, meaning they can't retarget me on Facebook either. So just to quickly give you an example here, let's imagine you have 2 ad dollars and you spend the first ad dollar sending it to cold traffic, somebody who's never seen your site before, never interacted with your business, and the odds of somebody converting are pretty low, right? A first-time visitor coming to your website, the odds of them requesting an appointment are low. Maybe 1% if you have a funnel set up and it's a pretty good funnel, maybe 5, 10, 15%. Okay, now you have that second ad dollar. Are you going to take that ad dollar and send it to another cold traffic? Okay, that's what a lot of people are doing, right? They're taking 2 ad dollars, they're sending it to 2 different cold prospects, each having a 1% chance of converting. Whereas the alternative with retargeting, you can make that second ad dollar go so much farther. So you send the first ad dollar to cold traffic, and then you take that second dollar and you send it back to that same person, retarget them using the Facebook pixel or the Google remarketing tag. And that person who comes back to your site, who's already seen your stuff, is 70% more likely to convert than cold traffic. So if you're not retargeting, you're leaving a huge amount of money on the table. Or you could think of it as just sort of wasting your ad budget. Okay? Take about half your ad budget and section it off or partition it off for remarketing. Okay. Don't send people to your homepage. That's the big one. Okay, Kirkland Dental Implants, click it. Okay, again, you have this menu bar. Not all this stuff is relevant to me. You have this big obnoxious chat box. That's pretty distracting. Okay, but this is great right here. This, mini dental implants with a price and then a schedule an appointment. You definitely want to make sure this is front and center, which it is, which is great. Okay, dental implants specific, great. Testimonial. Okay, just kind of a generic. That's fine though. Okay, talking about technology. I just don't think people really care about that. Don't make that your selling point. Okay, some stuff. Contact, map. This is actually not bad. Besides having this big menu bar here, this is a good landing page. Okay, let's try a different one. Implant dentist cost. Okay, it's another highly searched keyword. Okay, we'll try this first one. Tooth implant. Okay, cost $97 a month. Okay, perfect. And this is actually a great landing page. Okay, you have this up here, you have the call, you don't have the big menu bar with all your different things. Okay, talking about price, right? That was what was important to me in that search term. And everything on here is request a callback. Okay, this is their call to action. Nothing else to click on. Request a callback. Okay, that's their call to action. Callback, 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 callback. Okay, a few testimonials. Okay, that's great. A little bit about the doctor, callback, and then request your free dental implant consultation, and that's it. This is actually a really good one. Okay, are they retargeting? Ooh, they are. Google Ads remarketing tag. That's great. They can retarget people on Google. What about Facebook? Yep, they have the page view Facebook pixel installed too. That's great. Okay. We've already seen that one. Clear Choice. I've already seen Clear Choice. This is actually another really good example. Okay, they have all about dental implants up here, right? Your free consultation, common questions. Okay, but it's all about dental implants and the cost of dental implants because that's what I searched in my keyword. Okay. Treatment, right? And then they have the two call to action buttons. They have this schedule a free consultation and schedule a free consultation, and that's it. And then this other thing here to schedule a free consultation. It's very important to have those call to action buttons front and center. Okay, this is a great one. Let's try this one. Apple Dental Implant Center, in Canada. Okay, I'm in Seattle, so let's see what this is about. Okay, yep, Vancouver, BC, Richmond, BC. Okay, you don't want to do that. You definitely don't want to be targeting people that aren't local to you. There's just too many dentists out there that can provide great service. I'm definitely not going to drive all the way to British Columbia to get dental implants. There's plenty of good dentists around here. Let's go back. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try Invisalign. Let's do Invisalign Dentist. Okay, let's try this one. 425 dental per month Invisalign. Okay, achieve your dream. Smile affordably with our monthly pricing plan. Okay, complimentary consultation. This looks great. Okay, you have this call number. Oh, you have a pop-up which talks about their thing, right? It doesn't navigate to another page. Okay, that's their, sales video. That's great. For a limited time, complete the form and get 40% off your Invisalign treatment. This is great. How would you describe your smile, right? This is kind of getting people to start filling out a form before, asking them for all their personal information. This is a great little segue into that, right? It's kind of a little quiz. People are willing to take this. Okay, and then the next step is to, tell us more about yourself and then get assessed for Invisalign, right? So it's not schedule an appointment, it's get assessed, right? And see what you're all about. People are more willing to do something like that. Okay, and this whole page is about Invisalign. All inclusive, patient reviews, his Invisalign bio, Invisalign specific bio, that's great. This map here, but this map you can't click on it. Okay, can't take you somewhere else. It just shows you right where he's at. Frequently asked questions about Invisalign. Get assessed for Invisalign. Nope, just takes you back to this. Everything is directed towards this form here, which is great. Okay, because that's what you want. That's your call to action. That's what you want people to do. Nothing on this page takes you away from that. Okay, this is great. Does he have remarketing? Yes, remarketing setup. And Google or Facebook? Yes. Okay, and so listen, it just takes a very simple code, and I'll send you a link to this code, and you put it on your website. That way, when you're advertising like you are now on Google, you can optimize that ad dollar by retargeting those people in Google, but also on Facebook and on Instagram and on YouTube, for example. It's a piece of your marketing strategy you're currently missing. And so just to recap, a few of the mistakes that you're making with your digital marketing are, one, you're not targeting people local to you. You're targeting people outside of your city, outside of your range, and that's a huge mistake. People are not going to travel, more than 30, 40 minutes to go see an Invisalign, or an implant dentist. And the second mistake you're making is not using landing pages. Not sending people to a very specific landing page for the search term that they searched for. Okay, somebody searches for dental implants, they need to land on a dental implant specific page. Okay, that's going to increase your conversions and really make a huge difference in your campaign. And the last mistake is not using retargeting to get people to come back to your site once they've already shown interest. I hope this video helped you out. If you're making any of those mistakes, go fix those right now. You're going to be amazed at how much of an impact it's going to have on your campaign. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I do read them and reply to everyone. If you liked this video, hit that like button and subscribe. That way, when I release more videos like this, you'll get notified.